model, 66 plate Ford Transit 350 ULEZ compliant 2.2 TDCI non-runner no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 201236. MOT, the 31st of August 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start and wont turnover, engine has seized. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5.